Did you know that high-quality dubbing significantly expands the global reach of your content, enabling fresh viewers from around the world, myself included, to connect with your project? But did you also know that language choice is critical when you're trying to maximize your content's reach? Let's discover the many benefits of Spanish dubbing and why it's one of the right languages for your content. If you've already released content in English, then Spanish is an excellent additional language. Spanish is the third largest language market in the world, with over 531 million speakers in 24 countries. Expanding your audience to Colombia, Argentina, Mexico, and of course Spain can dramatically increase your viewership. In 2022 alone, around $4.3 billion was spent on Spanish language video advertising, with $1.7 billion coming from Mexico. This is why Spanish dubbing isn't just a popular choice, it's a strategic investment with substantial returns. It gives advertisers the opportunity to target Spanish-speaking regions by placing ads on your content. Spanish dubbing has the power to dramatically increase your project's profits. But how successful can Spanish dubbing be, and what sets it apart? Nastya, a popular Russian YouTuber who dubs her videos in multiple languages, has even seen some of her Spanish dubs receive more views than the original version. The initial version of this video received 169 million views, but the Spanish dub was even more popular with 336 million views. The best part? Nastya didn't need to make more content to achieve an extra 198% of her viewership. She just dubbed the video she already had. But it's not just YouTube where Spanish dubbing shines. Platforms like Netflix use localization to attract more viewers too. In fact, we checked between the 4th and 10th of March 2024 and found that 9 of the top 10 shows in Mexico were non-Spanish, highlighting just how high the demand for localized content is. Ultimately, if you're not targeting the Spanish-speaking market with dubbed versions of your content, you're missing a trick. So, the potential of dubbing your videos in Spanish is enormous when done right. Partnering with a trusted dubbing provider like Voquent is the key to unlocking these opportunities. Simply choose the option that works best for your requirements and budget, and they handle all the dubbing work. Or book a free channel review to learn more about their services, how to skyrocket your views, and the best languages for your content at Voquent.com.